And the matchday noise at this place is truly special. The pride, the passion, it adds to a massive sense of occasion. The action has already started. Well, that has not gone well. Diaz. The ball's gone astray. Oh, he's been caught napping! Well, it looked promising, but the final ball is just not quite right.
Well, height could make all the difference on these set pieces.
Last-ditch defending, but struck first time. Keeper's not concerned by that.
Well, it was hit with great power, Peter, but sadly, not great precision.
Van Dijk kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. It's a really well-measured ball. Mbappe. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Oh, good read.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Oh, perfectly measured that. Oh, he's bustling through here. Hits one! Goal!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
Poland finding themselves unexpectedly behind. He's got away. Diaz going full steam ahead down the left flank. And he cuts out the supply. Nicely weighted ball. Vinicius Junior gets into some space. Vinicius Junior showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. It's Salah! And he's there to get it away. And he's quick to snatch it back. And the pass is intercepted. Poland are already trailing here early on. They cannot afford to let this get worse.
Well, whatever was said in that dress...
Has a go! And he hits the net! That is remarkable! All square in a matter of moments!
Yeah, they say that fortune favours the brave, and we've just seen an example. This team has real personality and character. That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, they just couldn't have responded any better, Peter. Yeah, there's the old cliche about how teams can lose focus after scoring, but you still have to take your chances. Brilliant.
Maradona! Oh, good effort, he got plenty on that.
Oh, the technical control was exquisite. The pummeled attempt was exasperating.
Oh, that's a key interception. Rodri. Oh, he's found support out wide. And that pass is somewhat less than ideal.
Poland clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one. It was always going to be intercepted.
And that's been intercepted.
That was well played, well stopped.
Ball is over the line. Oh dear, less said about that pass the better. Bellingham. Now that looks a decent ball.